Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and easy homemade crepes. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1.5 cup of wheat flour, 2.25 cup of milk, or you can use some water, 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add or you can reduce, that's up to you, 2 medium eggs, and lastly, 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. In a bowl which has the wheat flour, you'll start by adding 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can add or you can reduce, that's up to you, and add 2 medium eggs. Then mix everything well. Lastly, you're going to put some milk or you can use some water. I'm going to use 2.25 cup of milk. Pour gradually while mixing until everything is nicely combined. Once you're done mixing all the ingredients, the consistency of the batter should be like this. Then cover for approximately 10 to 15 minutes before starting cooking or baking the crepes. After approximately 15 minutes of rest, our batter is ready and there's no any lumps as you can see in the video, and it's high time to cook our crepes. Place a medium pan on a medium heat and grease the pan to avoid the crepes from sticking at the bottom. Once the pan is hot, you're going to pour 1.25 ladle spoon of the batter and swirl the pan around. Once the crepe is nicely distributed around the pan, let the crepe to cook on a low-medium heat until the crepe turns into golden brown color. Once you get to see the bottom part is nicely cooked and have this amazing golden brown color, apply some oil, then flip the crepe to the other side and let it cook on a low-medium heat until the crepe is nicely cooked. Once your crepe is nicely cooked and have this amazing golden brown color on both sides, then your crepe is ready. Remove it out from the pan and repeat the same process until you're completely done. And our soft and tasty crepe is ready as you can see in the video. Roll the crepe. You can eat along with a cup of tea, some ice cream and fruits, or anything that you like, and enjoy your delicious crepe. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.